Welcome to Liberty Village, a place for compassion and community. Liberty Village is a senior living community like no other in the Tomah area, with flexible care for changing needs like independent senior living, assisted living, and continuing care. We strive to preserve dignity while ensuring individual needs are met. You and your loved ones will experience a warm, friendly atmosphere where quality care, independence, and peace of mind go hand in hand. Liberty Village provides an array of services designed to ensure a gracious and inviting living environment. We invite you to take a tour through our website and see for yourself all Liberty Village has to offer. Join us for a personal tour where you can talk with residential healthcare professionals to discuss your individual needs. Please call for an appointment today at 608-374-5005 or visit us online at www.libertyvillagecare.com.